Good morning, children. Today I am here to explain you about the major agencies of the United Nations. In my previous video, I had already explained you about the purpose of setting up the UN agencies. That is United Nations Development Program, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, World Health Organization, and functions of WHO. But today I'll be explaining you about United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, and about International Labour Organization, that is ILO, and its function. Now coming to UNESCO. The purpose of UNESCO, as specified by the Constitution, is to contribute to peace and security in the world by promoting collaboration among nations through education, science, culture, and communication. Now, the UNESCO performs three types of functions. First function is educational advancement, second one is development of science and technology, and third function is cultural interchange and preservation of cultural heritage. Now coming to educational advancement. First is the UNESCO aims at promoting education among children as well as adults. Financial assistance is being given for the education of disabled children. Now, the UNESCO also provides advice and expert assistance in matters like school, construction, and preparation of course and study and textbooks. Next point is it also provides fellowships and study grants to teachers and scholars. Now, the fourth point is it also organizes book fairs and festivals at international and national levels. Fifth point, development of library system is an important component of continuing education. Now coming to development and science and technology. UNESCO promotes basic research in fields like geology, mathematics, physics and oceanography. Engineering and technology schemes in a number of developing countries are being financed by UNESCO. It organizes regional and world conference to bring together scientists, technicians and technologists who have a common interest. It brings the benefits of science to all countries by providing information through bulletins, journals and exhibitions. UNESCO encourages the study of social science, especially to ensure that attention is paid to these topics such as factors causing violence or conflict, the very future of the human race and violation of human rights. Now coming to cultural interchange and preservation of cultural heritage. UNESCO has also a role in the field of culture, literature and fine arts. Under this, it helps the member states in the preservation of their cultural heritage. It encourages translation of rare manuscripts. Next point, it encourages cultural interchange. Third point, it gives every possible encouragement to artist creations in the field of literature and fine arts. Now, fourth point, it plays a vital role in distributing knowledge about the human right. The Taj Mahal is one of the wonders of the world. To save the Taj from decay, UNESCO has been collaborating with the French Rhone Pauline Institute. UNESCO could repair and clean the Taj Mahal by reversing the process of its marble yellowing. Now coming to International Labour Organization, that is ILO. The International Labour Organization was founded in 1919 by the Treaty of Versailles. Its headquarters and organs. The ILO has three organs, namely the International Labour Conference, the governing body, and the International Labour Office. Its function. The ILO conventions and rules relate to the working hours, wages, holidays, and payment of overtime to the workers. minimum standards of lighting, ventilation, safety, and welfare services which employers must provide in their factories have also been laid down. The ILO has made valuable contribution to improve the lot of working classes. Now, children, coming to the end of the chapter, I would request you to go through the chapter properly, underline, highlight all the important keywords and important answers, and learn it by heart so that you will be able to understand the chapter properly. And copy down all the question answers and go through the video from the channel. Now, thank you.